Hey guys, I'm Shireen with Cook This. So today, it's all about you moms. Mother's Day is coming up and I'm gonna show your kids how to make you breakfast in bed. It's Mother's Day, it's our day off. I'm not cooking on Mother's Day and neither are you. So this is super easy, a little help from Dad in the kitchen for an apple pie breakfast pudding. So right now I'm just peeling the apples. So I have 2 apples. So kids, you can do this. Grab your vegetable peeler. Dad's gonna help you on the stove for a little bit and we'll get these chopped up. All right, so to cook the apples, all right kids, just have Dad handy in the kitchen. Add all your apples into the pot with a little bit of water and butter. So I already have that in here. Some sugar. So we want to sweeten the apples, so we're going to cook these apples just like apple pie. So the middle of an apple pie, this is what this is going to be in your breakfast pudding. So some cinnamon, we got to make it good and flavorful, a pinch of salt, and as long as Dad is handy, you're good to go. Just give it a couple stirs, let it cook until you'll see like a syrupy texture, and it's going to cook and soften the apples, probably about 5 minutes. So we're back and I have my apples cooking. They've reduced to a nice syrup and I have my son Kostas joining us because I'm gonna teach him how to make me breakfast. All right, buddy? Mm-hmm. So this is an apple pie breakfast pudding and it's super easy. Get Bubba in the kitchen. We call my husband Baba, his father in Greek. So get Bubba in the kitchen. He can sort of help man the stove here. So we're ready to go. We have already cooked the apples. This is our apple pie filling. And you want to add the milk. So I gotta show you something a little funny. So there's a sign that says don't touch for filming. And Kostas says to me, you can pour it in, go ahead buddy. He says to me, why is it every time I open the fridge, I can't touch anything? Because I always have little signs when I need to develop a recipe or like we're doing right now. So I have it measured out and I didn't want him to touch it. All right, perfect. So we're just gonna bring the milk to a boil. In a cream of wheat, just slowly pour it in. So you just wanna slowly pour it in while whisking. Right over, there you go, perfect. Just slowly go in while you're constantly whisking so you get no lumps. And then we're just gonna bring it back to a boil, let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until thicken. Cut the heat and let it set at room temperature just until it thickens. And then we have apple pie breakfast pudding. Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
Easy enough. And I'm going to show you how to serve me breakfast in bed. Mm-hmm. You're going to do this?
Yeah.
Or is Isabella going to do it?
I'm going to do it.
I'm holding you to it. Apple pie breakfast pudding is ready to go. And see that consistency? It's like porridge, creamy. And there's plenty for everyone else to enjoy. What do you think? You think you can do this?
Yeah.
You have a little setup here. I have my napkin, my utensils, some fresh berries. I've sprinkled a little sugar on top. And of course, we have to have a food magazine. I got something to read. And some orange juice, some pretty springtime flowers, some tulips. Think you can do this? And just add a little bit of cinnamon right over the top so it looks pretty and just more flavor. So this is a nice little tray that you can bring to me Mother's Day. So for more of my fresh and easy recipes, check out my website at tweeteneats.com, or for this recipe, check out the newspaper's website. Happy Mother's Day.